Hi everybody, welcome back. Today is quite a special because we are making a premium wall covering, a feature wall, and this is quite fancy, so stay tuned. Here we have a door and a frame I made in the workshop, and this is a hidden door and there's a little snapper or a little latch if you would. And the wall covering will go around and everything will be covered, hidden in a way. There's the room for a TV. This is a living space. And we are at the top level, and here another wall covering will be done in this little alley next to the stairs. The sound is a bit annoying, but okay. So I have these pre-drilled. It's a bit gummy, so it helps keeping stuff straight up. Right here, I am marking the design, the pattern, if you would, and I'm checking if I did my work okay. So the pattern fits with the door, and I don't have to do some difficult cutting. So this furring, these slats are in place and the panels can go over top and attach firmly. So ready for the panels. So let me show you, this is getting exciting. This is the mock-up or the first two panels for this feature wall, and I'm testing how the panels smoothly transition from wall to door. And you can see here a black hinge. By the eye you can see it better than on the camera, so on the camera it looks even better, but it's developing very cool. It works quite nice. You do need a bit more space on the spot of the black filt, so I will have to remove a bit, but then it's working quite nice. Today was a good day, a fruitful day. I made a start with all kinds of details for the TV and the other kind of furniture which will be here, and the stuff gets on really nicely, very parallel and like straight, and I'm quite happy with it. The door functions as intended. So that's really nice. I will return here and do the finishing, and also with some help. And then it's ready to start the upper level. Ja. Ja, misschien moeten we even wat meer, soms moet je even wat meer intelligentie. Right here, there will be a furniture piece, like a TV stand, a TV up here, and colleague Midas is making sure this little edge is nice and neat, but you won't even see it that much because of the furniture. And we nail that on, and we get all the wiring correctly, and helpful to connect everything. So on the top floor, these panels get nailed on and glued on, and you cannot see any of the gaps like the other room. And on this side of the wall, I will use the buttons for attaching and screwing through and not pin nailing. This is more easy with details like the sockets or the door. So this is part one of the feature wall, and I showed you the hinges and how it goes together. In the next episode I want to show you on the details where the sockets are and some other reveals and details. So stay tuned. Unfortunately, because of the timing of the project, it's easier to make it a part one and part two. And still at the last video you will see the end result with the furniture and all the stuff installed, so that's worth your while.